Hello everyone, today I'll be doing a review of the Toblerone Chocolate Bar from Switzerland. Now, a friend gave this to me, so I want to do a little review video. I love Toblerone, just putting that out there. So, expect this to be a good review video because, I don't know, it has a special place in my heart. Always getting these around Christmas time, and they taste amazing. Something about the chocolate and the nougat and everything all combined together is just out of this world. And this is the one from Kuwait, so it's a little bit different than the Canadian one. I unfortunately cannot read the nutrition label there. I can try and make it out just to, 185 calories, 10 grams of fat, 21 grams of carbs, 1.9 grams of protein. All right, look at me, got it done. So Swiss milk chocolate with honey and almond nougat. Delicious. Getting right into it. If you've never had Toblerone before, stop this video right now and go get one. But they come with little triangle pieces like that. You break it off. And it's got a little nougat and honey, almond, whatever. Honey and almond flavored nougat. So good. There's a little texture to it with the nougat and everything in the bottom. But it's so good. Yeah, this is absolutely delicious. You can't go wrong with Toblerone because it's just, I don't know, it's easy to break apart and eat. The chocolate's like high quality. And just, reminds me of good times, personally. I have one more piece and I'll get my review on it, because I could eat this all day. Don't spill it there. So yeah, my favorite thing about the Toblerone is their chocolate just tastes very high quality. And like the nougat gives it a cool texture and a little bit of a, I don't know, something different than your normal chocolate bars. The honey, I don't really taste the honey, but I'm sure it's what makes this taste so amazing. But yeah, Toblerone's 10 out of 10. I don't give out many 10 out of 10s on here, but Toblerone is an easy 10 out of 10 in my books because it's delicious, easy little triangle pieces you can break off, share with people, and again, it's delicious. What more needs to be said? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.